everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel. Today I would like to share with you the new House Builder die sets. These are super fun to play with, and that inspiration card was made by Kelly Martin. And as you can see here, here is the die set and all of the different pieces it comes with. Now this is what it's going to look like in the package when you get it, but you can see all of those pieces are all in there together, and you can just snip those apart or bend them apart, whatever you'd like to do to release those little dies. But as you can see there, it cuts out the outline of the house, and then a little pitch for the roof, or the little dormer there for the roof, and then lots of different accessories. So you've got flower pots, a chimney, windows, a door, a little picket fence, lots of different flowers, a wreath, a little topiary. And here I have cut my dies apart, and this is a really cool thing. So you can either place your house on a card. That's just an A2 size card, or it will fit on an A2 size card, or you can cut two of those little house outlines and you can build a card. So there is a die in that basic House Builder die set, the original set, and that's what it looks like there. And it has a score line. I'm going to kind of hold that up. It's a little bit hard to see, but you're just going to bend that and score that, and that's what's going to be the hinge for the card, for you to build a house-shaped card. So you need to add some strong adhesive, and I'm just using score tape because there's no wait time for the dry. I'm going to get that all adhered to both sides of that little hinge, and then I'm going to take the paper off the back, and then I'm just going to line it up on both sides of the top of the roof part of that house. So that would be the back part, and I'm going to line it up, make sure it's all snug and down, and that little piece is scored nicely. I'm going to get it all lined up, and there's lots of different ways that you could do that. And then when you go to build your house, that's where your creativity comes in. So you can use every piece in that die set or just a few. And you can see there I've got some extra little hands there. I have my little 6-year-old helper helping me film and build our little house. And so he helped me build the windows and the doors and put the little curtains on, and I would add the glue, and then he would stick it all down. So we had a great time doing that. But you can see there's a balance for the window, there's curtains, and there's the little topiary there and the steps, and we put in the little shrubs and a window box there on the top. And I add a little bit of Copic markers to make a stone chimney. And you can see right inside that card how the little hinge works. Now here's a different card made by Carol, and you can see she stacked up her little bushes there on the bottom. She made a yellow window box and added lots of little blooms, and I love that detail that she added to her roof. And here Kelly again, here's a better look at Kelly's card, and you can see all the depth and color that she added inside the windows. She used a little wreath on the front door, and she added the blossoms to her topiaries and her front bushes. Now this is the Haunted House add-on die set. It's going to fit on the shape or that die that comes from the original House Builder die set. But as you can see there, it's got a different roof. So you have the little shingled look, and that's going to emboss when you run it through your die machine. It has a different shaped door, different shaped windows, and then all those cute little accessories to design your haunted house. So you've got a different fence, you've got jack-o'-lanterns and bats and ghosts, little headstones, a cross, a little spooky tree. So just lots of fun to build up your haunted house. Here I have cut all the pieces out and added it to the front of the card. So I use the shape of the house, or that house die from the original set, and then I made a haunted house set. Now you could use the dormer on your other house, so it's super fun to mix and match the pieces from the two sets, and then you cut out the little tombstones or headstones. There's a different fence. There's a different shaped door and windows. There's jack-o'-lanterns. There's little crosses. There's a spooky tree. And I just love the way that Galena has designed this card. So she can put some little haunted house doors, the little ghosts and bats peeking out, and then the kind of creepy tree there. I like that. And then I love this design from Alba. She's used some of the little Chibi-tronics lights back there behind the ghosts to make their eyes and their mouths light up. I love the little trees that she added and grass, and the bats are flying through the air. And then this design is from Carol. I love the glittery purple roof. She stacked her tree and offset it there to add some dimension and color. She's got those cute little ghosts peeking out and the glittery jack-o'-lanterns, and I just love the texture that she's added to the wood that is across the windows. So this has been the House Builder die set and the Haunted House add-on set, and these are available right now at honeybeestamps.com.